to work about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on calls. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to group calls in call history, clicking this sign. Like you see this color for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now here. So that's mean here group calls in call history enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.